What's up guys, welcome to JRs. Today I will helping you to getting more and more subscribers to your channel with only 2 clicks. So let's get started. First you open YouTube, go to your channel, click on channel URL, go to Discord, copy this URL from the description and paste it with channel URL. After this, press enter. After entering, this pop-up screen show up to anyone. Anyone who clicks on this link, the subscribe button screen will show to him. If you want to show this link, go to bit.ly and create a free account. Click on create button, paste your URL, name your URL and save it. The link has been saved. Click on share button and share it with your family and friend and anywhere where you like. Anyone who clicks on this link, the subscribe button screen will show to him. If you love or learned something from this video and get more videos, please like, subscribe and share this video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.